Hi, I'm Skylar, and today I'm going to show you how to download a screen recording program and then how to capture video and then upload that to YouTube. So, being that Chrome is pretty popular, I figured we would go ahead and try Screencastify, which is just a Google extension that you get here from the web store. So we're going to click on Web Store. And then in the search here, we're going to type in Screencastify. And then we're going to click here, Add to Chrome. And it's going to come up and give us this little warning that it's going to display notifications, communicate with cooperating websites, and capture content on your screen, which is exactly what we need it for. So we're going to hit Add Extension. And you'll see that it says that it's checking here, and it's downloading down here. And once that's done, we should get a notification up in this upper right hand corner, there it is, that it's been successfully added. Alright, so then we're going to go ahead and click on this. And it's going to bring us to the Screencastify website. We're going to sign in here with Google. Select our account. Allow it to access our camera and microphone. Hit next. Allow. And then it's going to tell us that we don't have any current recordings. So then you should be able to come up here, click this, and it's going to give us the options for what we would like to record, whether we want to do just the browser tab, the entire desktop, if we want to do just our webcam only. We have to allow the microphone, and we can actually embed the webcam, which is going to display the picture kind of like it is on this right now. But I don't believe it's going to work being that I'm using the webcam, but we're going to go ahead and click record here. Maybe it'll go. Alright, and here it shows you then what it's going to be recording, whether you want your entire screen or you can switch to just the application window. So we're going to stick here with the entire screen. And then we're going to click here where it says share.
3, 2,
and it's going to give us a countdown, and then you would start your initial recording at this point. And you'll see up here in the upper right hand corner, you've got that icon, and it has that little red dot that signifies that it is in fact recording. So we would go through and do our tutorial or whatever we needed to do at that point. And then once we're done here at the bottom, it's going to tell you to stop sharing. So we're going to click on stop sharing. And it's going to load another screen. And it's going to display our video. It's going to give us a preview. It's going to include the audio, so I'm just going to mute that for right now. And then over here on the right hand side, you're going to see these different options. You can allow people to comment, because this is actually saving into your Google Drive and can be shared from there. And then there's an option to copy the link. There's all these different options over here on the side. What we're going to look at is, or what we need to look at is actually up here. There's an option to edit. You can crop it, you can share it, or you can save it to the disk. Save to disk means that it's going to save to your computer. So if you want to save it to your computer, upload it to a website at a later time, you can definitely do that right there. It's pretty straightforward, pretty simple. In this case, we want to click on this guy here that says share. When you click on that, it's going to ask you where you want to share it. Do you want to share it on Google Drive or YouTube? We want to share on YouTube, so we'll make sure that that is clicked, and then it's going to ask you what channel. So you're going to go ahead and select that, and you would obviously want to have a YouTube account set up at this point, and it would show your account there. You would click that, and it actually even gives you an option for a shareable link. If you want to get the link right there to share with people, you can do so there. Here is the privacy options. This is anyone can find and view this video. which is fine. That's what we're going to do today. And then we're going to come over here and we're going to click upload. And it's going to work a little bit here, and you'll see over here now that it says it's uploaded to YouTube and Google Drive. In either of those, you can copy those links and then share them. In this case, we want to go click on View on YouTube. And there you go. It is here on YouTube for anyone to get to. And we're just going to come over here and mute this. But it is here on YouTube in your channel for anyone to view at this point. And just to verify that, you want to take a look. You click on your account, go to your channel. And there you go. There's all the videos you've uploaded at any point. They're going to be on here. So it's a very simple program, very simple utility to use. Pretty straightforward. Really, you could do it without having watched this video, I feel like. But I hope that this video helps you get a better understanding of how to use the program, and that you're able to do whatever you need to do with this. Have a great day.